far so good. It goes into every gear from 1 through like 4. I can't get it up into 6, but I'm 100% sure 6 is there because I went through the gears while I was in the air. So it goes in every gear. Clutch is super duper tight. I think the clutch kit in here is rated for like, the clutch kit is actually rated for like 585 torque or something like that. It's a McLeod. That friction point's high. So I'm just pretty much just test driving it right now. As always, I tell people break that clutch kits in. Give it a good 500 miles break-in time. This car sounds so good, bro. This car did have an exhaust leak when it came in. I welded it completely up. It sounds so good right now, man. Like, I can't even lie to you. And it's real comfortable, bro. And you know, for it to be an Ls400, man, my first manual swap, it went so good. Little hiccups here and there. Like I said in the last video, the Fish Racing Tech Kit, in my opinion, is high quality, super good. I did do the Collins kit on my homie Big Mac car, his SC300 2J swap. Both kits are good kits. This one is just pretty much a bell housing versus an adapter plate. Turn it. And the process is just pretty much straightforward as far as bolting everything up, like I showed in the last video. The process is just super straightforward. When it comes to installing the transmission underneath the car, you do have to take the catalytic converters down. Both catalytic converters, just because the bell housing is just so big that it literally, you just can't pass the catalytic converters when putting the transmission in. Other than that, like I said, the process is just straightforward, man. No complaints. As far as like, is it more so like a headache to install the kit as far as with the CD09 to the one you see with the Fish Racing Tech kit? As far as drive shaft custom made from A1 Drive Shaft, is a local drive shaft shop here in Maryland. I did have to make a mount for the transmission. It was super easy. He gave me a few pieces. Give me a few pieces as far as transmission, but I just went ahead, put some things together and made it work. But yeah, all in all, it's a good swap. I really loved and enjoyed doing this swap. What else? I did have to get clutch holes for the actual clutch line from the throttle bearing to the actual clutch pedal, which was a 4AN. I got that from the local shop, JRP. The car is just super low stuff, just scrapes underneath. Yeah, and it was pretty much fairly easy. It's one of those things, it's like if you did one, you could do a million others. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. This was just a quick update video. I didn't really film putting the transmission in, just because if you took the transmission out, you could put the transmission in, honestly. Yeah, guys. As far as with this throttle burn, this is a hydraulic throttle burn. So with that being said, is you are supposed to put in like a pedal stop, so that way you don't put all the pressure down on the clutch pedal and put too much pressure on the actual fingers on the pressure plate. But with this actual wheel wood clutch pedal, you actually adjust the throw with the rod. So we didn't have to install pedal stop in here for real. You just adjust it the way as though you just put enough pressure on there and leave it as that with the screw on the clutch pedal to the master cylinder. But yeah, all in all, like I said, it's a real fairly good, easy swap. I would do it again. I would recommend this kit for anybody, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and park this up. And we had to move this up higher just because the way how they had this line set up, it has to be free flowing, so no bubbles will build up in the actual line, but it's clean. You gotta tighten this up some. All in all, man, very, very clean. This is for its radio and stuff, but you gotta get Velcro straps to hold that down, but super duper clean swap.